Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Bum 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 bum. Welcome to a very special NFL Kickoff edition of Bitchin' in the Kitchen. I am your MVP, Señor Bitchin, and you are here in my kitchen. All right, let's get this game started. Whistle. All right, so we're the home team and we've elected to receive the party. Now don't worry, I know it's game day, but we're not just gonna pass off this play. We're gonna make sure your hors d'oeuvres get going. First and 10, hike. First down, time to call reliable. You know what I call reliable? Some chicken wings.
Second
First, safety sea salt. Up next, our punting lemon pepper. That's my number one draft pick. Some Old Bay. Crab cakes and football. That's what Maryland does. Old Bay. I had an Old Bay once. Her name was Señor Bitchin. I wonder whose kitchen she's in now. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces. All right, now the hot route, hot sauce. Personally, I like to use enough hot sauce to kill a small horse. If your lips ain't tingling, we ain't mingling. '97? It's a beautiful year. Time for the cold soup special ingredient. You guessed it, beer. Now that we've added the cold soup special ingredient, it's time to start tossing our wings. Son of a bitch. Now that we've cooked our chicken wings for about 12 to 15 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and take them out of the oven. Wow, look at those bad boys. So meaty, so juicy, makes your lip quiver. What a wonderful mouthfeel.
Second down.
Second down. Meatballs. That's fucking disgusting. Thirst down. You know here at Bitchin' in the Kitchen, we love our beer. Here at Cold Soup, we'd like to introduce you Unnecessary Roughness. First, we're gonna set the stream with a tahini rib and just a nice little rib job. A little bit of tahini. It's a beautiful rib. It's a beautiful rib. Championship chamoy. You can't win a championship without a little bit of chamoy. That being said, I have no idea what that is. So we're just gonna put a nice little time for the linebackers. Or should I say, linebackers. Now, our Pick 6 pineapple juice. If you know what I'm saying. Juice. Beautiful. Now the most important ingredient of the unnecessary roughness.
Necessary roughness?
The double tight end tequila shot. Now that we got our double coverage, tight end tequila, it's time to pour score. 1 for the touchdown. 1 for the extra kick. The kick is good. Now that's how you play all 60 minutes. We need to draw one more perfect play to save your sorry ass kickoff party. And I know just the play. 7-layer trips. Not 5, not 6, but 7. Because when it comes to the dip, it's all about the chip. Ain't no blood, but I've been known to crit, and baby don't stop because it's a dip set. Oh, been drinking so much, might have a nip slip. Now that's what I call a chip shot. The first player in our 7 trips play is gonna be my favorite Señorita, Rosarita. Señorita Rosarita is going to be our first player, running straight down the field as fast as they can, hoping to break away from the defender. Straight down the field. Now the next player in our 7-layer trip is going to be the avocado. The avocado is going to run an option route. Looks like we're going to go for the touchdown. Next in our 7-layer trip, we have our spicy salsa. We're gonna go real spicy with this, so I'm gonna select the spiciest route, which looks like this. I don't know what it's actually called, but it's a squiggly line that goes like this. Next up, some Mexican crema, or as other people like to call it, sour cream. Now, if you know anything about some Mexican crema, it's gotta be spread, just like our offensive line. Crema, exit mark. And our last ingredient is gonna be some Mexican cheese. We need a nice underneath route, so a nice thin spread right across the middle there. Now that we've added the last ingredient, let's take a look at our 7-layer trip.
But there's not 7 layers?
Why don't you mind your own? Thank you for watching the Bitchin' in the Kitchen NFL Kickoff Edition. I am still your MVP, Señor Bitchin. Don't forget to like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check out the rest of the things we got going on. Anything from podcasts, sketch videos, to gaming, and to even more Bitchin' in the Kitchen. Limited edition. Oh yeah. We're going 6 for 6. Fuck yes!